Hello YouTubers, Knife Detector here, and I just got back from the flea market. Thought I'd make a quick video on this bad boy. Had a conversation with an older gentleman. Gosh, this guy's been around for a long time. We were talking knives. He had some KK knives he was showing me, and some other brand of knives. I saw this in the case and I couldn't believe my eyes. It is a Buck 112, and you see that, guys? That is an anvil. It's not marked Buck 112, it just says Buck USA and then an anvil on it. What that anvil means is that it is a 100-year anniversary buck. This has another imprint on it that says Bombardier. I'm not sure why. If this has some kind of military celebration attached to it, but I love this knife, guys. I saw this knife, and there's another gentleman there, and you know what? They have so many nice things. They have car parts from the 40s and 50s. They have cookware, very rare cookware. They have toys, Tonka toys, all kinds of toy maker brands from the 1930s, 40s, and 50s. And I was looking at one of the cases. Lots of tools, guys. Oh, lots of tools. I don't even know what all these tools are for. Some of them look like railroad tools. And so many tools that I went ahead and I saw this in one of the cases, and I asked one of the gentlemen. And he said, oh, no, that belongs to that gentleman. So I'm like, okay. Went to go ask him. Very nice gentleman. We're talking knives for quite a while. He wanted 65. Now, I know this is a 100-year anniversary knife, so I could, if I really wanted to, I could turn around and sell this for like 80 or more, especially the condition it's in. The blade on this is pristine. The handle, it's just a little dirty from holster wear. It's got some holster wear there. This thing has been sitting in the holster forever. Other than that, it's still got the original from the factory shine on it. The sheath. The sheath on this thing is a heavy-duty leather sheath, brass button that says Buck. Very well stitched. There it's marked Buck 112. And a very durable knife. At first I thought this was some type of a composite plastic material, but no, it's just a very durable leather type material. That's going to last a long time. So this knife, guys, I told him, I had already been shopping for a while at the flea market. So I told him, I don't have 65, I told him. But I do have 40. I said, will you take 40? He's like, yeah, all right, I'll take 40. And so I snapped at it. And so I snapped at the chance at getting this beauty. Those of you that watch my videos know I love Buck 112 knives. I have another video posted on a Bucklight 112, and I just made a video recently on my two Buck 112s. One of those I made from two broken 112s, and then another Buck 112 I have from the early 2000s. Really love this one. This one is dated around 2002 with that anvil, and good looking knife, guys. You know what? I almost don't want to use this puppy. But I think I'm probably going to end up using it just because I like it so much. I like the feel of it in my hand. So, because I bought this knife, I wasn't ready to buy it. I wasn't expecting to find this at the flea market. Found some other goodies, Wasn't expecting to find this knife. So I ended up getting it. And because I got this knife, I'm in the situation that I find myself quite regularly. And it's more of a moral dilemma. It's not that necessity. It's not that much of a necessity, but I'm going to let go of a knife, guys. I'm going to let go of a knife. So I already posted on my eBay site, for those of you that see this video, my Spyderco Harpy from the early 2000s in very good condition. So my Spyderco Harpy is up for sale, and it's got a best offer price on it. If one of you makes me a decent offer, it's going to go to the best offer. And it's on there, so if any of you guys, like Spyderco, you may want to check that out and some of the other items I have on sale. And until then, guys, this is Knife Detector saying keep keep a sharp eye for all those great knife finds out there. Be on the lookout for those great finds, and enjoy your weekend. God bless, and stay sharp.